Hello dear viewers, this is Tanveer Ahmed at the Royal Academy of English. Subscribe to my channel, Royal Academy of English, for new, interesting and informative videos. Like these videos, share these videos and press the bell icon. Dear viewers, today we are doing an English grammar lesson. In this lesson, you will learn about the order of adjectives in English. So, let's start this very informative lesson. There is usually a fairly fixed order when two or more adjectives come before a noun. Look at this example. Beautiful, golden, flowers. Also, a nice new blue cup. The order of adjectives depends mainly on the meaning. Look at these groups of adjectives and other modifiers. Adjectives of opinion: nice, lovely, awful, etc. Adjectives of size: large, small, long, etc. Adjectives of quality: famous, clear, important, etc. Adjectives of age: new, old, etc. Adjectives of shape: rectangular, round, fat, square, etc. Adjectives of color: blue, green, yellow, etc. Participle forms: broken, covered, furnished, etc. Adjectives of origin: Italian, Pakistani, Indian, etc. Adjectives of material: plastic, rubber, wooden, etc. Also, adjectives of type: domestic, human, chemical, etc. Adjectives of purpose: tennis court, alarm clock, driving license, etc. Words from these groups usually come in this order. Adjectives of opinion come first, then adjectives of size, then quality, then age, then shape. After shape, we put adjectives of color, participle forms, origin, material, type, and purpose. Adjectives of purpose. Look at these examples. European, industrial. In this order, we put adjectives of origin first and adjectives of type second. Also, a new pen. Age plus material. A hard iron desk. Adjectives of quality come first, and then we put adjective of material. Also, 4 small round green grounds. Adjectives of size plus shape plus color. Participle form plus type, increasing domestic problems. Size plus shape plus color. 4 small square green yards. Age plus participle form. An old broken table. Opinion plus type plus purpose. 2 wonderful electronic toys. Note: these rules are not complete. The order of adjectives occasionally be different. Sometimes short adjectives are preferred before long adjectives. Look at this example. A great, magnificent palace. Old and young, referring to people, often come next to the noun. Look at these examples. A dignified old man. A handsome young man. When two adjectives have similar meanings, the shorter one often comes first. Look at these examples. A bright, cheerful smile. A soft, comfortable chair. Sometimes two different adjectives are both possible. Look at these examples. A peaceful, happy home. A happy, peaceful home. So, that is the end of the lesson. I hope you have found this lesson very informative and useful. Other topics of interest of Royal Academy of English are prepositions of place, at, on, and in. Prepositions of place: through, across, and along. prepositions of time at, on, and, in. Introduction to the modal verbs. And I also hope that you will also find these lessons very, very useful and informative. Thank you and goodbye. Keep watching your own channel, Royal Academy of English.